So find a square minus 5a plus 6i. If matrix A is this one, 3 into 3 matrix is there. But to find this a square here. Okay. Therefore, a square is equal to a square means matrix A into A. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to, so matrix A, given matrix is so 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 into again the same matrix here. So 2 0 1 here, 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 here. Okay. Now multiply row with the column here. So therefore this is equal to, okay, multiply this row with this column here. Okay, multiply row with the column. Here 2 into 2 becomes a 4. So write here 4. 0 into 2 becomes a 0 plus a 0 here. And 1 into 1 becomes 1. So plus 1 here. Okay. Then multiply this row with the second column here. So this is the second column. Multiply row with the column here. 2 into 0 becomes a 0 here. It is a 0. 0 into 1 becomes a 0. Plus a 0 here. Then a plus. Then a 1 into minus 1 is there. So it is a minus of 1 here. So right here minus 1. Okay. Multiply this row with the third column here. Multiply with the third column here. 2 into 1 is a 2 here. So right here 2. Then a 0 into 3 becomes a 0. Plus a 0. Then a 1 into 0 becomes a 0. Plus a 0. Okay. Similarly, multiply this second row. Second row with this first column here. 2 into 2 becomes a 4. So right here 4 plus here. Then 1 into 2 becomes a 2. So right here 2. Then plus. 3 into 1 is a 3 here. So right here 3. Multiply second row with the second column here. So 2 into 0 becomes a 0. Then 1 into 1 is 1 here. So plus 1. Then 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 here. So right here plus of minus 3. Next multiply second row with the third column here. So 2 into 1 is a 2 here. So it is a 2. 1 into 3 becomes a 3. Plus 3 here. Then 3 into 0 becomes a 0. Plus a 0 here. Okay. Next multiply this third row here. Third row with the first column here. 1 into 2 becomes a 2. Minus 1 into 2 becomes a minus 2 here. So right here minus of 2 here. Then 0 into 1 becomes a 0. Plus a 0 here. Okay. Multiply third row with the second column now. 1 into 0 becomes a 0. Then minus 1 into 1 is a 1 here. Minus 1. So right here minus of 1 in the bracket here. Then 0 into minus 1 is a 0. Plus a 0. Then multiply third row with the third column here. 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So right here minus of 3 here. Then plus. Then 0 into 0 becomes a 0. So right here 0. Okay. Therefore this is equal to the matrix here. 4 plus 1 becomes a 5. So right here 5. 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 becomes a 9 here. So it is a 9. Then 2 minus 2 becomes a 0 here. So it is a 0. Then it is a minus 1 here. So right here minus of 1. Then 1 minus 3 becomes a minus 2. So right here minus 2. Then here minus 1. So right here minus of 1 here. Then next 2 here. 2 plus 3 becomes a 5. And 1 minus 3 is a minus of 2 here. Okay. Here is the matrix is correct. Okay. Use this matrix here. Okay. Therefore a square. Therefore a square minus of 5a plus 6i. 6 into I is equal to a square matrix is this one here. So right here 5 minus 1 plus 2 here. Then 9 minus 2 plus 5. Then 0 minus 1 minus 2 here. Okay, this is a square minus 5 into a here. Minus of 5 into the matrix here. Here is the given matrix. So right here 2, 0, 1 here. Then 2, 1 and 3. 1 minus 1, 0 here. Then 6 into I. I is the identity matrix here. Therefore 6 into. Here identity matrix is a 3 into 3 because given matrix is of order 3 into 3 here. Therefore here also take a identity matrix of order 3. So that is a 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 here. So this is a identity matrix here. Now take this 5 inside here, means multiply each element by 5. Take this 6 inside here, means multiply each element by 6 here. Therefore write this one as it is here. This is equal to, so 5 minus 1 plus 2 here. Then 9 minus 2 plus 5. Then 0 minus 1 minus 2 here. Then minus of 5 2s are 10 here. So write here 10. 5 into 0 becomes a 0. 5 1s are 5. So write here 5. 5 2s are 10. So this is a 10 here. 5 1s are 5. So write here 5. 5 3s are 15. So it is a 15 here. Then 5 1s are 5. 5 into minus 1 is a minus 5 here. 5 into 0 becomes a 0. Okay. Then plus 6 1s are 6 here. Next 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6 here. Okay. Next this matrix minus of this matrix here. So therefore this is equal to, okay, so is equal to, subtracting these two matrices here. So 5 minus 10 minus 5 minus 1 minus 0 is a minus 1. So right here minus 1. Then 2 minus 5 minus 3 is a minus 3. 9 minus 10 minus 1 here. So it is a minus 1. Minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 here. It is a minus 7. Then 5 minus of 15 is a minus 10 here. Okay, minus 10. 0 minus 5 is a minus 5 here. Minus 1 minus of minus becomes a plus here, plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 becomes a plus 4 here. So right here 4. Minus 2 minus 0 is a minus 2 here. So it is a minus of 2. Then a plus this matrix here. So right here 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6 here. Okay. Next, adding these two matrices here. Therefore, this is equal to adding here at the corresponding elements here. Minus 5 plus 6 becomes 1 here. So write 1. Minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 here. Minus 3 plus 0 is a minus of 3 here. Minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. Minus 7 plus 0 6 here minus of 1 here. Minus 10 plus 0 minus of 10 here. Minus 5 plus 0 is a minus 5. 4 plus 0 is a 4. Minus 2 plus 6 is a 4 here. Okay, so this is the required solution here. Okay, here this is a given matrix. Then prove a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to, it is an O here, null matrix. Okay, it is a matrix of order 3 into 3 here. Hence I is a matrix of order, identity matrix of order 3 into 3, and even this is also a null matrix of order 3 into 3 here. Okay, so first find your A square here. A square is equal to A into A here. A is this matrix here. So write here 1 0 2 here, then 0 2 1 2 0 3 2 0 3 here. Okay, then into, write the same matrix here 1 0 2 here, then 0 2 1 2 0 3 here. Okay, then this is equal to multiply row with the column here. Multiply row with the column. So 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. So write here 1 plus 0 into 0 is a 0. So write here 0 plus here. 2 2s are 4. So write here plus 4 here. Multiply first row with the second column here. 1 into 0 becomes a 0. So write here 0. Then 0 into 2 becomes a 0 plus a 0 here. Then 2 into 0 becomes a 0 plus 0. Then multiply first row with the third column here. 1 into 2 becomes a 2. Then 0 into 1 becomes a 0. Then 2 into 3 becomes a 6 here, plus a 6. Okay. Multiply this row with the column here. 0 into 1 is a 0 here. Then 2 into 0 becomes a 0, plus a 0. Then 1 into 2 becomes a 2 here, plus a 2 here. Then multiply second row with the second column here. 0 into 0 becomes a 0. Then plus here. 2 into 2 becomes a 4. Plus a 4 plus 1 into 0 is a 0 here. So it is a 0. Then multiply second row with the third column here. 0 into 2 becomes a 0. It is a 0 here. Then 2 into 1 becomes a 2. Plus a 2. And 1 into 3 is a 3 here. Plus a 3. Then 2 into 1 is a 2 here. 0 into 0 becomes a 0. Then 3 2s are 6 here. Plus a 6. Multiply third row with the second column here. 2 into 0 is a 0. Then 0 into 2 becomes a 0. Then 3 into 0 becomes a 0 here. Plus a 0. Okay. Now we multiply third row with the third column here. 2 2s are 4. So write here 4. Then 0 into 1 is a 0 here. Plus a 0. Then 3 3s are 9 here. Plus a 9 here. Okay. Now you simplify here. Hence this is equal to the matrix. Here 4 plus 1 is a 5. So write here 5. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is a 2 here. This is a 2. 2 plus 6 is a 8 here. This is a 8. Then here 0. So write here 0. Then next 4 here. So write here 4. Next it is 0 here. So it is a 0 here. Then 2 plus 6 is 8 here. So write here 8. Then 2 plus 3 is a 5. It is a 5 here. Then 4 plus 9 is a 13. It is a 13. Okay. So this is the matrix A square. Okay, it is a matrix A square. Next you find here A cube. Therefore A cube is equal to A square into A. A square is this matrix here. So write here 5 0 8 here. 5 0 8. 2 4 5. So 2 4 5. Then 8 0 13 here. Okay, this is a matrix A square. Into A is a given matrix here. So 1 0 2 here. Then 0 2 1 2 0 3 here. 2 0 3. Therefore this is equal to, okay, again multiply with the column here. Multiply this way with this column. 5 ones are 5. So write here 5. 0 into 0 becomes a 0. Plus a 0 here. 8 to 2 is 16. Plus a 16 here. Then multiply row with the column here. 5 into 0 is a 0 here. So write here plus. Then 0 into 2 becomes a 0. This is a 0 plus. Then 8 into 0 becomes a 0 here. This is a 0. Multiply first with the third column here. 5 2s are 10. So write here 10 plus. Then 0 into 1 is a 0. Plus a 0 plus here. Then 8 3s are 24. So plus 24 here. Then multiply second row with the first column here. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 here. It is a 2. 4 into 0 becomes a 0. Plus a 0. Plus. Then 5 2s are 10 here. Plus 10. Multiply second row with the second column now. 2 into 0 becomes a 0. Then a plus here. 4 2s are 8. So write here 8 plus. 5 into 0 becomes a 0. It is a 0. Multiply second with the third column here. 2 2s are 4. So write here 4. Then 4 into 1 becomes a 4 here. Plus 4. Then 5 3s are 15. So plus 15 here. Plus 15. Then multiply this third with the first column here. 8 ones are 8 here. So write here 8. Then plus here. Then 0 into 0 becomes a 0. Then plus here. 13 2s are 26. Plus 26 here. Then 8 into 0 becomes a 0. Then plus here. 0 into 2 becomes a 0. This is a 0 plus. 13 into 0 becomes a 0. This is a 0. Then 8 2s are 16 here. So write here 16. Then plus 0 into 1 becomes a 0. It is a 0 here. 13 3s are 39 here. Plus 39. That is equal to, then add the terms here. Okay. Okay. 5 plus 16 is a 21 here. Next it is a 0. 10 plus 24 is a 34 here. This is a 34. Then 10 plus 2 becomes a 12. So plus 12 here. 8. 15 plus 4 becomes a 23 here. This is a 23. 26 plus 8 is 34 here. This is a 34. Next is a 0. 16 plus 39 is a 55. It is a 55. Okay, this is a matrix A cube. Okay. Next, here I write this one here. So therefore A cube minus of 6A square plus 7A plus 2I is equal to, okay. So A cube is this matrix here. So right here 21. So 0, 34, then 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55. Okay. 6 into A square here, minus of 6 into A square is this matrix here. So right here 5, 0, 8, then 2, 4, 5, then 8, 0, 13 here. Make it complete here. Then 7 into A plus 7 into, here A is this matrix here. So 1, 0, 2 here. Then 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3 here. 2, 0, 3. Make it complete. Then 2 into I is there. Therefore 2 into I is the identity matrix here. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now you simplify here. Okay, so this is equal to this matrix keep as it is here. 21, 0, 34, then it is a 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55. Bracket complete here. Then I take a 6 inside the bracket here. So minus of 6 5 are 30 here. It is a 30. Okay. Here 6 into 0 is a 0 here. Then 8 6 are 48 here. So right here 48. Then 6 2 is 12 here. So right here plus 12. 6 4 is 24. Plus 24 here. 6 5 are 30. So right here 30 here. Then 8 6 are 48 here. Plus 48. Then 6 into 0 becomes a 0. So right here 0. So 13 into 6 here. 78 here. It is a 78. Then a plus. Take a 7 inside here. 7 into 1 becomes a 7. 7 into 0 is a 0. 7 2 is a 14. So right here 14. 7 into 0 becomes a 0. 7 2 is a 14. So right here 14. 7 into 1 becomes a 7 here. 2 7s are 14. So right here 14. 7 into 0 becomes a 0. 7 3s are 21 here. So plus 21 here. Then a plus. Take a 2 inside the matrix here. Okay. Take this 2 inside here. So 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2 here. Okay. Next, subtracting these two matrices here. Okay, take these two here. Subtract it because minus sign is there. And here plus sign is there. So adding these two matrices here. Okay. Okay, if subtract here, 21 minus 30 becomes a minus sign. 0 minus 0 is a 0 here. 34 minus 48 is a minus 14. 12 minus 12 becomes a 0. 8 minus 24 is a minus 16. 23 minus 30 minus 7. 34 minus 48 minus 14. 0 minus 0 becomes a 0. 55 minus 78 is a 23 minus 23. Similarly, adding here 7 plus 2 becomes a 9 here. 14 plus 2 is a 16. 21 plus 2 becomes 23, and remaining these 3 and these 3 terms keep as they are, because these terms are 0, these 3 terms are not 0. Therefore, these 3 terms and these terms are same here, keep as it is. Then adding this here, just observe here, minus 9 plus 9 becomes a 0 here. It is a 0. Then 0 plus 0 becomes a 0 here. It is a 0. Minus 14 plus 14 is a 0 here. Then 0 plus 0 becomes a 0. Minus 16 plus 16 is a 0 here. Minus 7 plus 7 becomes a 0. So similarly, other terms becomes a 0 here. Hence it is what here? It is a null matrix. And a null matrix is always denoted by O here. Okay, therefore null matrix is denoted by O. It is a 5 marks question here. Okay, this is a 5 marks question asked in the year. So in March 2017 year in the Karnataka PU board exam here. Okay, it's a 5 marks question asked in the year March 2017 in the Karnataka PU board here.